What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be comparing the Insta360 1X to the GoPro Max. So first off, the GoPro Max is like having an actual GoPro. This is a brand new GoPro Hero 7 Black that GoPro sent me because I destroyed one, and a 360 camera in one. Also, it's got this really cool forward-facing screen. So you can see what you're filming. You know, you can film in 360 and watch it. It's stitched in the camera. It's really cool. It's got these protective lens covers that you can replace for $20. And then we've got the Insta360 1X, which is one of the most popular 360 cameras. It's been like that for a while. So this thing has no screen. Well, it's got this little screen right here, but no screen where you can actually view what you're filming. It's really lightweight. You know, it's lighter, just slightly lighter than the GoPro Max. This films slow motion in 360. That doesn't. This shoots slow motion as a regular Hero, but instead of 240 frames a second like this only films 1080-60 in Hero mode. But the GoPro Max has the best stability of any camera I've ever seen. This is better than the GoPro 8 or the Hero 7 Black for any kind of stability. If you want to see an example of that, I filmed some skateboarding today at the park running. I was running, holding the camera in my hand, filming in Hero mode, and running up and down quarter pipes, chasing this guy, and the footage looks like it was filmed on a drone. So yeah, this is the best camera anywhere for stability. You put that in Hero mode, put the max stability on, and you're going to be able to do whatever you want. You know, you can turn it, you can put horizon leveling on, so you can do whatever you want and still get the shot. So the ruggedness on the GoPro Max, having the touchscreen where you can see what you're doing, waterproof. You know, it's not for diving, it's for surfing and stuff like that. Just a little bit waterproof, just for protection. Makes this just a way better camera, in my opinion. Just having the Hero mode with the really stable shot would be worth it for me. I would get this even if it wasn't a 360 camera, just because of how stable it is when I'm filming skateboarding. But having the bonus like 360 camera right there in that's really nice. Being able to film with both of these, and then also filming with it as a 360 camera just works really well. So I would definitely suggest the GoPro Hero Max. I'm going to be posting a bunch of videos with this camera on this channel, so definitely stay tuned for that. Once I get this up on eBay and a few more stuff up on eBay, I'll have a link in the description below in these videos to my eBay page, so you can actually buy this. I'm going to be selling it kind of cheap, so definitely check that out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and just videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.